Hey guys, it's Chris here from the GTOger and the Ogre Vision channel when I post things here. So over on the GTOger channel, we do all those fun tow truck videos, and some of you guys get a kick out of when I put sound effects into some of those videos. And one of the sound effects that we put in the videos a lot of time are when a car door opens and closes, and it's kind of got an unnatural squeaking and just the whole thing. Well, here, I'll give you an example. So this here is my 1931 Ford Model A, and it actually kind of gave me the inspiration for some of the sound effects that we use. Check this out. So obviously, this is the driver's door on the Model A Ford. When you open it up, hear that? Kind of makes a... kind of has a good, solid chunk to it. And then when you open the door, watch this. Uh-oh. So that's just a really quick little behind the scenes there for you, and shows you the inspiration for where we get the squeaky sounds. And now you know. If you'd like to see a little bit more about this car, let me know down in the comments below, because I think it'd be kind of fun if you'd like to see it. We'll do a little tour of the car, show you what it's all about, see what driving a car in 1931 was all about. And I'll give you a hint. It's a whole lot different than probably what you're used to driving. Anyhow, that's it for right now. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and see you next video.